Tensions are escalating in South Korea as tens of thousands of people gathered in capital Seoul to rally for or against President Yun Suk-yeol. On Saturday, investigators again asked the country's acting president to comply with an arrest warrant. Amid turmoil, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken will visit Seoul for talks next week.
For last 1 week, impeached President Yun Suk-yeol has been evading arrest after he declared martial law for a brief time. South Korean investigators again urged the country's acting president to order the Presidential Security Service to comply with an arrest warrant for Yoon. Corruption investigating officials said, and I quote, "It was virtually impossible to execute the arrest warrant due to the ongoing standoff." Meanwhile, die-hard supporters and opponents of impeached President Yeol rallied near the presidential residence.
What kind of situation is this country suffering right now? 8 years ago, they unjustly removed President Park Geun-hye, and now they are trying to remove President Yoon as well, based on absurd charges. There is no issue if the emergency martial law was declared by the head of state.
A month-long political meltdown has not only thrown Korean politics into turmoil, but surfaced the country's deep political polarization by dueling protest movements. Amid political turmoil, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken is scheduled to visit South Korea next week. This will likely be Blinken's last international trip before Trump's return as the U.S. president. During the visit, Blinken will meet and discuss Indo-Pacific region with senior officials. Now take a look at what could happen next. The Corruption Investigation Office may attempt to execute the arrest warrant for Yoon again before the January 6 deadline. If Yoon is arrested before that date, the CIO will have 48 hours to either request a new warrant for his formal arrest or release him. But Yoon's lawyers have repeatedly said that the warrant issued by the court is unlawful and illegal. South Korea's constitutional court has up to 180 days to determine whether to dismiss Yoon as president or restore his powers. Bureau Report, DD India.